Good morning. Thought I'd vlog today because Michael's over at my house, which is very rare. I've never vlogged with Michael here before. We're both off of work today, so we're gonna go drive over to Malibu and just have a chill beach day and surf. So thought I would test out my new vlog camera, which is right here, the Sony ZV-1. Literally haven't filmed anything with it yet. It has this really cool flip screen and a Bluetooth remote. Right now we're just packing up and getting ready to go to the beach. Got my pouch of sunscreen, a visor, my GoPro, my water bottle, bikini. Good morning, Shiro. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, 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 hi. Wow, it's so bright. We're gonna choose what board we want to ride today. Probably in this section, because that's where all my longboards are.
White wolf running around back there. Oh, jeez.
Oh, Shiro, no, go back in, go back in, go back in, go back in. Shiro, what are you doing? Come here, Shiro. You're not supposed to be outside. Silly doggo. We're gonna take Michael's van because he has a really comfortable bed that we can hang out in the parking lot with if we get too sunned out. All right, boards are loaded up and we're Malibu bound. We just got to Malibu and we checked the waves. It looks super fun. The tide's coming in, so it'll just get better and better hopefully. And it's sunny. Should be a good day. I just feel like I'm ran into some subscribers. Hello. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Mia.
Hi, Mia. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Did you surf already?
Yeah, we just got out.
Love it when you guys come say hi to me. It's so crowded, but it's pretty fun. Got a few fun ones on the inside.
What's this?
What is it?
Shh.
day. There's still so much sunscreen on my face. It is 3:58 p.m. and we haven't eaten or really drank anything since morning, since breakfast. So we're gonna go over to Sun Life at the Country Mart and get some smoothies. Gosh, it was so nice out today. I'm a little crispy, very dry. I'm excited to get home and take a shower and slather my skin in oil because I need it very badly.
Yeah.
So we're at the Malibu Country Mart and Michael doesn't have any shoes, but we're gonna get smoothies. Just got back home and I'm feeling super crispy after being out in the sun all day. My favorite thing ever when I get back home from the beach after a long beach day is taking a nice cold shower and doing some deep conditioner to my hair. Hi, Michael. We're spent. So I didn't film anything since I got back home. It was more like shower, eat, hang out with Michael, and then he just left a little while ago and I am all ready for bed. So I figured I might as well film a couple days in my life because tomorrow is my older brother's birthday. I think we're gonna have another fun beach day in Malibu. I think the plan is to either surf or spearfish and then to just hang out at the beach. So I figured I would show you guys that as well. I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm exhausted after a really fun day and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It's about 8:30 a.m. Blue sky is over there, but right now it's still pretty gray, but hopefully it'll clear up. We're meeting up with my brothers who are already here. 楽しみにしています。曇っているから海はすごく寒いと思います。波がどうでしょう？今朝はすごく綺麗と思います。それだけ。How's that? And that was my attempt at vlogging in Japanese. Very bad. Hopefully in the future when I study more, then I can do fluent vlogs in Japanese. So it turns out that we actually beat my brothers to the beach. So just waiting for them. So I'm gonna put on my full suit because it's pretty cold when you're diving. And I also brought my G-Dome with my GoPro so I can get some cool shots of the boys. And I have a brand new mask that I'm excited to use. I'm putting on my full suit from Jonesy. Never really get to wear this. So, so hard to put on. They're not here yet, so I'm gonna wait. This is good enough for now. They finally.
I thought you guys were waiting at the car.
Fancy showing up.
Why would you wait?
This before you go.
What the heck?
You wanna eat before you go?
I'm gonna cramp up in the water.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
All right, they finally showed up. Gonna suit up for reals and get in the water.
Tricky.
Where's the fish?
We put it to keep it cool in the water. Could have been better, but not bad. Still too low tide.
Yeah, it's super
Once the tide goes up, we'll get really good, but I think we'll be eating by then.
All right, it was a successful dive. Ryan
Except
got
for
a
me
white
losing my
sea vest.
GoPro.
Ryan lost a GoPro, but we gained lunch. So that's good. What's the plan now?
We're gonna head towards Sycamore Cove and go get on the barbecue.
So I just got back home, super tired and crispy. I actually put coconut oil in my hair at the beach, so it looks super greasy right now. So I'm gonna take a shower. Basically, my plan for the rest of the day is to shower and eat some dinner because I'll be lifeguarding tomorrow, so I want to build up my energy. That was a super fun last couple days. I'm super stoked that I got to film it and show you guys and show you a little glimpse into what my summer days are like. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.